A quick update on Swift Coin here. So Swift Coin's not looking too bad. We're zooming into the 3-day chart, 3-day candles, and what appears to be a falling wedge pattern here after the little move up. So, or a pennant, whatever you want to call this pattern here, but it doesn't look horrible. So we've been covering Swift a lot on the live streams. It's always asked for. And just looking at it here on the monthly macro chart, this thing is holding up very well, low to the high, and most recent little price action here. If you want to call it that, we tagged the 618. We're holding up. We're still stuck at the 382. So when this thing gets over 1.5 here, a penny and a half, that's when this thing's going to be bullish to push back up here. And then, of course, pushing through the 1618 at about 4 cents. And then once we get through that, we have a couple of good targets here on Swift Coin. So she is holding up very nice on the macro. I do think the macro bottom is in here on a lot of coins also. But Swift Coin's not looking bad. So there are some good targets. Like I said, comment down below where you're going to take profit at. We have the 2 level here at 10 cents. Would be pretty much a 7x. And then we have 20 cents here for a 14x. And then if this thing's going to rocket up here to the levels that these people want, anywhere from 50 cents to a dollar, 50 cents would be your 32x. And if we shoot up here to a dollar, $1.25, you could possibly get an 84, 85x out of this thing. But Swift Coin's not a bad one. It looks good here. So the final thing we will do, we will zoom into the daily chart here. We're going to go ahead and do this. And we're going to draw simply from the high to the low here and see where we're getting stuck at. So if we go from the high here to the low, like I said, where it doesn't look too bad, it looks kind of bullish in this little consolidation period it's in. Yeah, it's stuck right at the 3.2. So a penny and a half is a big price for this thing to get over. If it can get over that, this thing's going to be bullish here. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.